Hi, hello. Hi. So, right now in Shanghai Beach, and I met a fantastic plane spotter on the way. And hi, what's your name?
Likhan.
Sir?
Likhan.
Lekhan. Okay, it's good to meet you. And how long have you been doing this kind of plane spotting work?
About 3 years.
3 years. Oh, okay. So, till now, how many flights would you have been plane spotted? Would you have been plane spotted? It would consider it will be like around 1 lakh planes, 1 lakh or 10,000.
I'm really not sure.
You're not sure.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're doing this as a part-time job, or this is your main job right now?
No, it's just a hobby.
Oh, it's just a hobby.
Yeah.
Okay. There is a flight coming right now. You can do your job. So actually, I asked him whether he knows Tamil Nadu, Chennai, and he's telling that he knows it. Okay, what do you know about south part of India? Okay, tell something. Whatever you know, you can just tell. Just confused.
I'm not very sure.
You're not very sure. Okay. What do you know about? So do you know something about India? You're just confusing. Okay, right now. Okay, you're doing your college right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, which university are you studying right now?
NTU.
NTU. Okay, that's government college, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, how's your studies going right now?
It's okay. It's fine.
It's fine. So, are you planning to go in aviation-related jobs?
Yeah. In fact, I'm studying aerospace engineering.
Oh, he's studying aerospace engineering. That's really a good thing, actually. And except this area, I mean, except the Changi Beach, what are the places you go for plane spotting?
I mean, in Singapore, it's really either here or Changi Business Park, which is the other side of the airport.
Okay, so actually there are two spots.
Yeah.
One is Changi Beach where you can spot the planes, and the other one is Changi Business Park. I think it's on the opposite side of it,
Yeah.
right?
So it just depends on the runway direction.
Okay, it depends on the runway direction.
Yeah,
Okay, it depends upon the wind direction,
Yeah.
so the tail direction, and here or that. I think it will take at least 1 minute to spot the plane.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Okay, after spotting the plane, we'll connect to him. Thank you. Yeah, we are now back, and last plane which we spotted is Batik. I think it's the Indonesian flight, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So back to back there are flights coming in Singapore, and you told about Shanghai Business Park, right?
Yeah.
So are visitors allowed there to plane spot?
Yes.
That's a public space, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So which is the best one, the Shanghai Business Park or the Shanghai Beach? Which do you consider to spot planes?
I prefer Changi Beach.
Okay, Changi Beach is the best plane. I mean, it's the best place to spot all the planes. It's really nice to meeting you, and I expect you to do a lot of kind of things, and I expect you to join as aviation department as a pilot or what?
Probably as an engineer.
Engineer. Okay, flight engineer. So you want to be with the flights all the time. So you choose to be a flight engineer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's really good. And can you please say subscribe to my YouTube channel? Just say subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Subscribe to his YouTube channel.
Okay, you're very shy right now, right? Okay, thanks man, thanks. Just give a thumbs up. Okay.
Flights are coming.
Oh, that will be
Around 5 p.m.
that will be delayed.
Yes.
All European flights are really good.
Yeah, yes.
The naked eyes also it's okay, I think. So what livery is that aircraft? Is that A340? No. Triple 787 Dreamliner, huh? Hey, okay, super.
Yeah.
That was Lufthansa, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Singapore. Super. Okay, that's a 777. Okay, 787. 787 Dreamliner. Super.
Oh, this was earlier.
787 Dreamliner. Oh, that's very nice picture. 737. That's 777, eh?
Yeah.
737 again. Air India. Hey, super. That's 737 Air India, right?
Yeah.
And this 737 Air India. Okay. So let's Scoot A320. Okay, that's it. 330 Malaysian. This is A350, right?
Yeah.
Qatar. And this is Batik Indonesian 737. That's A320 Airbus and Jetstar A320. Okay, that's Singapore Airlines A350. That's a 777.
Yeah, I think that's a Fokker 50 of Singapore Air Force.
Yeah, when I went to Marina Barrage, what happened? I think this is the aircraft which is circling around, right?
Yeah.
I went to Marina Barrage and I was just able to hear the sound alone.
I think now they're having rehearsals for the National Day Parade.
Oh, National Day Parade. Okay, I understand. I also saw. Okay, take that.